Yo, welcome to another core content video. In this video, I'm going to explain what a fair value gap is and how I implement them in my trading strategies. So a fair value gap is a price imbalance where the market moves so aggressively that one side of the candle is not efficiently traded, leaving a gap in value. It occurs when 3 consecutive candles create a gap between the high of the first candle and the low of the third one in bullish conditions, and vice versa for bearish conditions. So let's say we're in bullish conditions, we can see the high of the first candle. We look at the wicks and then at the low of the third candle. And when we can see a gap in between those two wicks, we call this a fair value gap. And we expect price to retrace back to it and then push higher. So the fair value gap is actually an inefficiency zone where price is likely to retrace into before continuing the trend. Okay, so let's look at some market examples. So in this case, you can see that price made a huge fair value gap. We'll look at these ones. So I'm selecting the low of this wick and the high of this wick. And then we just print out this fair value gap. We can see that price then comes back, retraces into this fair value gap, and then pushes lower. Here, price leaves a fair value gap again. And then we can see we tap it and push lower again. Here again, fair value gap, we tap into it, push lower. So yeah, another pretty straightforward concept, and will be used as an extra confluence in all strategies.